Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on Lolly Payments, where we will cover Lolly Payments' OneLink feature. In an earlier video, we went over how to create OneLinks under Settings, Lolly Payments, where your office can create OneLinks for specific types of payments, such as consultation fees or USCIS filing fees. The possibilities are endless using Lolly Payments' OneLinks. In this video, we'll cover how to apply OneLinks that have come in from potential clients or active clients to an open invoice for a client's matter record or contact record. To get started, we'll scroll up to the top and we'll select Billing, Lolly Payments. Go to the third tab titled OneLink Payments to see all of our OneLink payments that have come through in bulk. Here we see at the top this transaction record of $500, which is a OneLink payment that a client paid, and we can see which payment type they've made the payment towards, who the payer was, and the last 4 digits of that payment method. To apply the funds for this payment towards an open invoice, we'll select the action button at the far right. Select Pay Invoice, and we'll enter an existing contact's name and their matter to apply the funds to that open invoice. Under the invoice, we'll be able to see an open invoice under this matter record. I've selected invoice 71 for this client. Now I'm ready to submit the payment. Confirm the amount that I would like to apply towards this invoice. The record shows the payment has been applied to an open invoice. Under the Applied To column, we can see clearly what invoice it was applied to and the matter record that is associated with the invoice. If we click on the link, we can go directly to the matter record and we can verify the transaction under the Transactions tab. Simply toggle to the correct bank account where the funds were applied to, and we can see that transaction record on today's date, the amount, and that it was successful. To get more transaction details, we can click on the eyeball at the far right. We can see who the payer was, the timestamp on that payment, as well as the payment method details. Also go to the Billing tab to view the payment transaction on the actual invoice. Selecting that drop-down action button, we'll select View to view more details of the invoice. Scrolling down, under the Payments card, we can see a $500 payment that we have just applied to this open invoice. On the invoice itself, under the Transactions section, we can also see the $500 that was applied to this invoice. Under the Outstanding Balance, we can see that the balance has gone down based on the funds that were applied to this open invoice. Using Lolly Payments' OneLinks feature, you can apply funds easily. To learn more, please visit our help site at help.lollylaw.com or email us at support@lollylaw.com. We're happy to help.